Dark future! Sirens in the distance, smoke in the sky. Newsfeed screaming while the oceans rise. They sell us comfort wrapped in lies, but we can smell the world burning tonight. Factories choking the breath of the earth. Profit over people since the day of our birth. Ice caps melting, forest to ash. Billionaires counting while the planet will crash. They say keep calm, keep buying more, while the waves break down the door. Dark future, choking in the heat. Cities drown beneath our feet. Dark future, wars for oil and land. Blood money dripping from every hand. Bombs in the desert, drones in the sky. Kids in the rubble, while the rich get high. Supply chain soaked in sweat and pain. We suffocate in the shit we buy again. Plastic lungs, poison rain. History screaming the same refrain. You built the cage, you lit the fuse. Now we're all trapped with nothing to lose. Dark future, burning in the sun. Countdown ticking, nowhere to run. Dark future, ashes in the air. We fought the nightmare we all must share. But in the noise, a spark, a fight if the world goes down. We'll go down loud tonight. Dark future, choking in the heat. Cities dragged beneath our feet. Dark future, wars for oil and land. Blood money dripping